वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलाम् वन्दे मातरम्
के मौसम में ठंडी हवा मिल गई और आप जो आए श्रीमान, ऐसा लगा जैसे मेरे दर्द को कोई दवा मिल गई। गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते, स्वागतम, सुस्वागतम, अभिनंदनम, सत श्री अकाल, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्री राम, आदाब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम to all potential legions, wonderful people into the venue of the Sargot College. And I wish you all honorable, very pleasant Republic Day on the behalf of me. And in this regard, a very close welcome for our celebrity and root of the tree, SR Good College, known only very handsome, very talented, versatile person of SR Good College, respectable MS Khansar, and a spectacular welcome for our prestigious digital mentor, the lead hero of SR Good College, Honorable Irfan sir. And once again, open arm welcome for my favorite trainer, rocking star of SR Good College, rockstar Rasis sir, as well as Ansumem Aman sir. And all of you are welcome by the depth of my heart and on the behalf of SR Good College family. And today I am truly blessed by your presence and extremely glad to stand on the podium. I can't express my feeling how much I am happy today to get such an audience in front of me. Thank you so much, lovely audience, for accepting me, and thank you so much for making such a seminar in front of me. And in the meantime, I wanna be familiar among the family member of SR Good College. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting the most interesting and entertaining character, the global Kaprika of SR Good College, Sonu Bharti. And usually I am from Gopalpur, Dabashimat, but nowadays I am used to live at my current and favorite location, my Mirzapur Mafi in Ayodhya itself. And about ADCS spoken tutorial, I am pursuing BCA, which is the course of software engineering, and having become a successful engineer, it's my need only dream. I wanna be NRI. And ladies and gentlemen, we all know why we are gathered here. Of course, to celebrate the opportunity for which we were looking forward since long days. And today we all have something very special in hand with us. And what I have, let's see. Here we go. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Here we go. So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna put my thoughts at a very prominent topic of life, and everybody plays this role in his life sometime or the other. And if I talk about an individual, then an individual passes through different stages in his life, and one of the most important stages in his life is a student life. Everybody is supposed to save his life as a student. It is the life of preparation for successful future. I'm gonna communicate about students, so let's know what is the meaning of a student from scratch. Normally, a person who is studying in school, college, institute is called student. Student is the most valuable key of the locker of his nation. Students are not only who learn in school, college, institute. Rather, everybody may be a student who always ready to learn in his life sometime or the other. In everyone. A student life is a golden life. It is a more crucial part of an individual life, and a student plays more significant role in their life, and this is not enough for them. They are hoped, they are expected for leads as well as for the development of his country, as every human being has some right, duty towards the motherland, country, society. In the same way, student studying in a school, college, institute has some right. A student is a best future of his nation. A student is a hope of his family. A student is a glory, proud of his college, institute. A bright student is a James of his institute. They are the pillar of his nation. We all know we all learn. But apart learning, we are not only learning, we are taught by our parents. We are taught by our parents that one day will come, my son, my daughter will provide me my livelihood. That is why they used to deposit our fee without any hesitation. So that's why being a student, it's our responsibility. We must keep their work, we must make them proud. And they used to provide us harder things if that will necessary, if that will be mandatory for our studies. Being a student, we must stand first on their commitment. Student life is the best part of life. It is the most important part of our life. We must use our time to build up our future bright. Student life is the most valuable time in which institutors, teachers, parents guide us for the right way. If we have good training, then we can be good citizen. And being a student, we must be a pure character, a good character in our future. And being a student, we don't have to forget of having become something successful, something big. We don't have to forget our country, our place, our company. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat.